Okay, so I think I got it solved. I found out where I'm going to attach the anchor points to. These right here, it's very low, and I wanted something up higher. So what I did was I actually forgot about this in here. This is where your spare tire used to sit. I pulled all this out because it's going to actually sit on a shelf in case if I actually do get a flat. But there's this hole right here that I can use. There's these down here that I can use, no problem. So that's pretty cool. I'm actually, and it's not going to be, a ton of weight or whatever. So what I did was I went to Lowe's, and I just got myself a piece of 1/2 inch. I bored a 1/4 inch hole in the end, and hopefully that will line up and hold it right there perfectly. I've got a couple of bolts from Tractor Supply, and I got a couple of holes in the end. I'll bend it right because it doesn't take that much to bend it, and I will use that as an upright anchor point for my shelf. Get it all situated or whatever, bend it right. This side has to be bent further because I haven't I just got done polyurethaning my shelf, so I don't have it here as a reference at the moment. But I also have this right here, which actually I had my shelf in here. I'm like, I wonder if I could attach another bolt down here to my seat. So I had this just laying around. It's actually zinc, so don't ever weld this stuff, by the way. And it fits, perfect. That will be absolutely perfect. So it'll attach it to here, and these are hard bolts, which will be cool. From the seat, so it's not going to break or anything like that. It'll anchor it on the bottom there, and it'll anchor it up top and on the other side right there, which will be kind of neat. And this right here, I forgot to tell you guys, I can feed this through the vents on this. If I have to, I'll just trim a little bitty hole in it. But as you can see right here, the vents are open. On the bottom, they are in the middle, and on this top part, they really aren't. And on the way bottom, they are. So this right here will fit perfectly through one of these vents. No problem at all. And that's going to be my anchor points. Stay tuned.